Hey y'all, we're back over here at my buddy Charlie's, and this is his Ruud GPN Rudd furnace here, 75,000 BTU, 80%er. And last time I was over here, we were kind of in a hurry. We had another job we had to get on, and I'm just over here gonna do like a temperature rise for him, and maybe do a few other tests while I'm over here. But let's see what the temperature rise is here. We're looking at there it is, 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 65. I'm digging these Ruds, man. You can actually read their gamma chart here. Not like that American Standard of mine. But anyway, got her jumped out here. I'm actually going to pull all the leads off, and we'll start with the low. I'm just afraid that the red low speed there might make her go out and limit. Limit goes out at let's see, 160. But we'll give her a shot. If she starts getting up high like that, I'll just pull the plug on her. But anyway, let's do a temperature rise, see what we got. Y'all, I figured we'd check Charlie's gas pressure first. We're going to do the inlet pressure first. I've got the gas cock shut down right there. I've already got the little screw out of there. And I'm hoping the new manometer fittings we got here will actually fit on these. Let's see. And yes, sir, looky there. They do fit on the Honeywell gas valve. All right, let me get everything set up, and we'll take the inlet pressure reading. Looking for around 10. Ready, I got her set up. I've got everything hooked up here. I've got my manometer hooked on the positive side. We've got the gas cock off. Maximum inlet pressure is 10.5. Let's see what we got. We're right at 7.65. Okay, inches water column. All right, I mean, I think mine was right around 9, but you know, that's the maximum, so we're not really concerned about that, you know. So we'll I think he's fine just where he's at right now. So let's get on the other side of the gas valve here, and we'll check her out. All right, hey y'all, I've got her set on the outlet side now with the manometer, and I guess we'll take our water column reading here. Got the manometer hooked up, got the switch ready to rock, got her jumped out, so let's hit the switch. Here goes the inducer motor. You hear the pressure switch click, and then the gas valve will open. Let's see what we get. Looking at 3.75. She's a little bit high. All right, let me get my screwdriver out, and I'm got to get that set screw out right back there in the back, and we'll bring her down. I just those things are so precise, man. So I'm gonna just dial it down just a hair. Okay. Okay, y'all, I got the stinking set screw out, and I'm getting ready to make my adjustment here. Waiting for the furnace to fire. I guess I need a special screwdriver, right angle screwdriver or something to get in there, or I'm sure one of the fellers will tell me the right tool I need. But we're at 3.75. Let's see if I can get my hands in here, and we'll see if we can adjust her down to 3.5. Okay, I'm going up. I don't want to be over, you know, it'll over. Let's see what we got now. 3.54. Do just a hair more, y'all. Oops, I think I went a little too far, hold on. Let's see. Okay, let's see what we got. really like to be like at 3.49. Alright, it's going to take both hands. Let me get in here after. Okay, y'all, I believe we got her. We're at 3.49, 3.5, 3.48, 3.49, 3.5. I'd say we're right there in the ball game. She's going to fluctuate a little bit, guys. But like I said, I'd rather be a hair under than way over. Okay, let me button her back up and we'll do some more testing. I'm going to do a static pressure test in the cooling mode here, but it's too cold outside to have this thing running, so we'll just pull the disconnect. Y'all, we're going to do the static pressure test here in the cooling mode. Going to determine what blower speed we should be on when Charlie's ready for cooling this summer. Okay, we've got the manometer hooked up, got the positive hooked in between the coil and the heat exchanger, and we've got the negative here in the door. So let me get set up here and we'll fire it up. I got the yeller jumped out down there and we're going straight to AC. We're on low speed, red, on the cooling. Okay, y'all, I believe she's going to hang right there at 0.8. 0.79, 0.8. Alright, let's go over and take a gander at her. Okay, 0.8 is off the chart. We know low speed is not going to work on her. Here's 0.7. Here's Charlie's unit right here, this 07 EAMER. 0.7, we're at 0.8. It's off the chart. Alright, let's change blower speeds. Okay, y'all, I'm going to park this red. And I'm going to take this yeller here. Man, I'm digging these terminals. All you do is push in on them, man. They're pretty neat. There we go. We're parked on, we got the yellow on the cool. Alright, let's go hot here in a minute. Oh, we got the yeller wire hooked on the cooling, medium low. Let's go hot, see what we got. .95. Yeah, we just pulled off Charlie's grills. I'd say it's ain't breathing. Let's see what we can get out of here. Oh my God. See, we're trying to do a static pressure test. Alright, I'll get back with you. Y'all, we had to back up and punt. We've got a return error issue, and that's one good thing about that manometer, man. T-Stat was right about that, and appreciate the help today, Dallas, man. Reckon we'll holler at you later, and me and Charlie will get this stuff straightened out come cooling season. It's doing fine in the heating season. Alright, y'all.